There are many ways to open up a relationship and many forms of open relating. Opening up your relationship can be a fantastic way to spice up your sex life and to add a new exciting dimension to your life together. However, it's not for everybody, and it absolutely needs to be approached in a very caring, conscious and open-minded way. So if opening up your relationship is something that you've been considering, make sure to stay till the end of this video for all the tips, ideas and best practices. My name is Helena Nista and I make videos that help you have the best sex of your life. And today I'm going to guide you through the tricky territory of open relating. Opening up your relationship is a big decision and it shouldn't be taken lightly. Also, there are quite a few steps between getting an idea to do it and then actually executing it together with your partner. I personally had practiced open relating for a few years of my life, and it's definitely something that I might do again in the future. There are many potential benefits of opening up your relationship. It can bring in a new spark and excitement into your life together. It can be a great path of learning to communicate more effectively together, since a lot of things will need to be discussed and agreed upon. It can be an adventure into new territory that will help you learn new things about yourself and grow as a lover, as a partner, and as a human being, etc. But there are also many potential issues that both of you will need to face if you decide to go ahead with this decision. So the better informed you are about this topic, the better you'll be able to navigate this journey together. To a lot of people, the concept of opening up your relationship can sound really scary. Their imagination can immediately take them into some elaborate scenario that they're just not comfortable with. But open relating can mean a lot of different things, like watching porn together, or going for a coffee and flirting with someone else without actually taking things to the bedroom. It can mean occasionally visiting a sex party or a swingers bar where both of you could but don't actually have to do anything with anybody else. It could mean hiring an escort for a threesome, or inviting someone else to live with the two of you as a full-time partner, plus anything else between all of these extremes. There are countless ways to do open relating, and whatever you agree on needs to work for both of you. The best candidates for open relating are couples who already have a solid relationship together, full of trust, love and mutual commitment. Plus, of course, they both desire to open up their relationship, or are at least open-minded or curious about the idea. Conversely, any couple that struggles with issues, trust or problems together should not try to bring any other people into their relationship in an attempt to fix things. They should definitely work on their relationship first, preferably with help of a skillful therapist. Also, couples where only one person wants to open up their relationship should not be choosing that path forward. So if you ever feel like your partner is trying to push, manipulate or coerce you into opening up your relationship while you're not keen on it, do not go ahead. I've made that mistake before. He wanted to open relate and I didn't. But I agreed, and the whole adventure was extremely hard on both of us. Because the truth is that open relating is not for everyone, and nobody should feel like they're being forced into it. You can try, but trust me, it won't work. Monogamy is an absolutely valid choice if that's what you desire in your relationship. And if you and your partner can't agree on either monogamy or open relating, you're probably not compatible together. The process of opening up your relationship, if that's what you both agreed wholeheartedly to do, needs to start with a lot of communication. A thing to understand here also is that it's important to differentiate between what you actually want in life versus what you believe is the right thing to do. A lot of people grow up with the mindset that monogamy is the only right or proper way to be in a relationship. So they sort of enter monogamous relationships by default. And that will work for a lot of people, but not for everybody. So it's okay to question things in your life. Is monogamy truly for you? And maybe it is, but maybe it's not. And talking to your partner about open relating from that sort of open mindset is going to be much more helpful than judging the idea as bad, sort of by default. So make sure to ask each other and explore together why each of you is interested in open relating. What benefits and what risks do you both foresee in that future? What exactly it means for both of you to open up your relationship? What exact actions will that involve? Don't go with any assumptions here. Don't try to infer or guess what your partner is thinking. Keep asking until you both have absolute clarity. And this kind of conversations can go on for weeks, months even. So don't rush things. You both need to feel ready and certain before any action is taken. And for some couples, no action needs to be taken. Discussing the topic alone creates enough excitement without taking things further. For others, it will be about taking these ideas and turning them into reality. Just remember to go slow and to keep checking in with each other every step of the way. Partners typically want to open up their relationship in order to improve and enrich their connection. So do take a lot of care not to break your partner's heart in the process. If either one of you feels uncertain, threatened, hurt, etc., stop, talk, and explore together. Do we need to stop here for now? Or do we simply need a little tweak to make sure that everybody feels included, loved, and respected? I think that it's also very important for anybody interested in open relating to educate themselves on this topic. There are some great books like The Ethical Slut or Polysecure, so make sure to read these ones and more. You can even read them together with your partner as a great introduction to the world of open relating, or at least forward this video to them to start the conversation. We all can always learn more about relating and become even better partners to each other, whether we decide to open the relationship or not. And if you'd like some other great resources, make sure to check out my free online course, Tantra for Beginners, and my book Legendary Lover. Both are linked in the description bar below. And if you are enjoying my videos and getting value from my content, please consider buying me a coffee through my Patreon account. Patreon is a platform that allows anybody to support us YouTubers with small financial gifts. You'll also find the link to my Patreon page below. I hope that this was helpful and that it enriches your understanding of open relating, whether you both decide to go ahead with it or not. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. Please don't forget to leave me a like and a comment below. I always respond personally and I absolutely love having little chats with all of you. Have a fantastic day and I'll see you next week on this channel. And if you follow my vlogging channel, then I'll see you there even sooner.